Are your shoes taking over your living space? It's time to get organized. In this video, we're exploring some creative shoe rack designs ideas to help you keep your footwear collection tidy and stylish. Hey there, welcome back to our channel Fast Decor. Today we are diving into the world of shoe rack designs. Whether you are have a small apartment or a spacious home, there is a shoe storage solution for everyone. First up, we have the minimalistic shoe rack. This stick designs feather clear lines and compact footwear, making it perfect for small space. Next up, let's talk about the multi-tier shoe rack with multi-levels. It's maximizing vertical space while keeping your shoes easily considered. For those who loves a rustic touch, the wooden crate shoe rack is a perfect choice. It's easy to make and adding a charming and farmhouse feel for every entryway. If you are short on space, consider a shoe bench with storage. Not only does it provide a place to sit while putting your shoes, but it also offers the hidden storage for the other time. For a modern twist, try a geometric shoe rack. Its unique designs add a visually interest to your space while keeping your shoe organized. Next up, we have a ladder shoe rack. These versatile designs can be leaned against a wall, saving valuable floor space. For those who loves DIY projects, the PVC pipes shoe racks the fun and expensive options. It's a customized and can paint to match your decor. If you are large shoe collection, the rotate shoe rack is a game changer. It's maximizing storage space and allows you for easily access to the shoes. For a touch of elegance, consider the mirrored shoe cabinet. It's not only does it keep your shoes organized, but it's also add a touch of glamour to your entryway. La- Last but not the least, we have the form floating shoe racks. These space-saving designs mounts directly on the wall, giving the illusions of footwear shoes. And there we have it. Most creative floor shoe rack designs ideas to elevate your entryway. Which one design was your favorite? Let us know in the comment below and do not forget to like this video, subscribe our channel for more home decoration tips and ideas, and share with your friends and family when you never miss these latest and unique shoe rack designs. And if you want to this shoes rack in your home, which one is your favorite, take its screenshot and buy these shoe rack designs and also organize this style of shoes. Thanks for watching us and joining us today. We have see you in next time. Thank you and have a